In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tags and add them to data entities in Starburst Galaxy. This will be in preparation for using Galaxy's universal search feature. Starburst Galaxy ships with a sample catalog containing a few schemas and tables with sample data that you can play around with. In this video, I'm going to be adding tags to the astronauts table within the demo schema. Let's get started. To be able to add tags or metadata to a data entity, you must be the owner of the data entity. So I'm going to make sure that I'm using my account admin role, which I am, as you can see in the top right hand of my screen. To get to the tags pane, you go and expand access control on the left hand side and then click the tags button. In Starburst Galaxy, you can create tags at 2 hierarchical levels. I'm going to create my first tag right now at the top level, which is going to be called missions. So let's click create tag. I'm going to name it missions. I'm not going to check the box for nested tag under. That's going to be when I nest tags under the missions tag. And then I'll add a quick description. You can choose any of the colors that you would like to represent this tag. I'm just going to leave this at teal. And then I'm going to click create tag. Okay, so now I'm going to create my first nested tag under the missions tag. So I'll click create tag again. This one is going to be called info. And I will be checking nested tag under this time. And for select nesting, I'm going to select the missions tag that I just created. I'll add another description. And then I'm going to choose a different color. Let's just go with yellow. And I'll click create tag. So now let's create one more nested tag. And this one is going to be called personnel. And again, I'll click nested tag under and then select missions. And I'll add a quick description. And I will choose orange this time, and now create tag. So now that I've created all my tags, you can see the top level 1 missions here, and then if I click to expand, you can see missions.info and missions.personnel that were created for me. You can see under the comments that shows the description. We can see the owning role, when it was created and when it was last updated. And the in-use column tells you how many times it's in use, which right now I haven't added it to anything, so those are all 0. So let's go ahead and add these tags to some data entities. And I'm going to be adding them to the missions table and the astronauts table. And I'll show you how you can find these data entities. I'm going to click on catalogs here on my left-hand side. And as you can see, a catalog explorer pane has opened up here on the left. And then I also have view catalogs on the right. So there's 2 different ways you can get to what you're looking for. I'm going to choose to use the catalog explorer pane. And so I want the sample catalog over here. I'm going to expand that so that I can see the schemas that are within it. It's just going to take a moment. And then I'm looking for the demo schema. So I'm going to expand that so that I can see the tables within the demo schema. So now I see my astronauts and missions table, and I'm going to go for the astronauts table first. Now I'm on the information page for the astronauts table, and as you can see, it provides a lot of great information. You've got the columns, metrics, definition, data preview, and on and on. And you can also see the metadata for this table, and you can do that by clicking show details right over here on the right. And right now I don't have any metadata, but let's add some right now. So I'm going to add the description first. And I'll click Save Changes. And now I can add tags to this table, and the tag that I'm going to add is the missions.personnel tag. So let's click the button there and Save Changes. And I'm going to add myself as a contact for this table. Okay, and now if I scroll down, I can see the list of columns here, and you can see that each column has 1 tag listed. Because I added the missions.personnel tag to the entire table, all of the columns inherited that tag. And if I keep scrolling down, I can add tags at the individual column level too. So I'm going to add a tag to the mission number column. And I'm going to add the mission.info tag to this one. So I'll save changes. And now you can see that column has 2 tags listed. And you can add descriptions to the columns as well. So I'm going to just click this pencil icon here, and then I can add a description to this column. Okay, I'll save it. And now my description is there. The last thing I'm going to do is to head on over to the tags pane so I can see how the tags look now. So I'm going to click on tags again. And now I'm going to expand missions again. And you can see that missions is listed as being in use 0 times, even though its nested tags are used. And missions info and missions personnel are listed as in use only once, even though missions personnel was applied to the entire table. That only counts as being in use once. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.